Hi guys, my name is Damien. Welcome to Irish Feeder. I've decided to go for a few hour session on a feeder on the river. It's a river Erne. Uh, it's a it's a nice river, as you can see there behind me. It's not very deep in here. I'd say it's about 3 to 4 meters deep. That's all it is. That's in the main flow. Now it's quite cold. It's almost like a winter time. The fishing is very difficult. Now water is, I don't know if you'll be able to see that. I'll show you later on. It's just very clear. There's no colour in it at all. It looks like a tap water. That's all it is. So I know the fishing will be difficult today, but I'll try to catch a few fish and show you what's in that water there. Now I'm going to set up. I'm probably going to set up only one line anyway. I'll try to find the main flow and I'll try to fish in that main flow. So one line, quick setup, and I'll talk to you later. Now guys, the mix I'm going to use today, it's my own ground bait. I've made that myself and I've been testing that for a couple of days and it works really well for skimmers. It works really well for skimmers, and I was catching a nice roach yesterday as well, like up to 300 grams, so it works well for both skimmers and roach, which I'm very happy with that. Now I'm going to try that today again on the river and see what happens. I'm going to probably use half a bag. I'll put this away. Very sweet mix. It's quite rich. I don't know, will it be good for the river? We'll see anyway. Now I'm going to leave it for about 20 minutes and then I'll come back to it, and I have to add some more water. That's for sure, because I know that. So I'm going to leave it for 20 minutes, come back to it, put some more water, leave it for another about 10 minutes or so, and then push it through the river and it should be fine. Now guys, I clipped up about 40 meters out there. That's where I found the main flow of the river. It's about 40 meters out there, and that's where I'm going to fish today. Now the mix is ready, and I also chopped a half a tin of sweet corn. I always use that type of mixer. It's very easy. Throw the sweet corn in it, close the lid and pull the handle. Very good. I use that for worms as well. Now I also add some dead maggots, and that's quite rich mix, right? But that's the mix I'm going to use for pre-baiting. And now I'm going to probably put about 5 or 6 bait up guru feeders at the start, full of this mix there, as you can see. Chopped sweet corn, dead maggots. It's a very rich mix. So yeah, I'm going to throw maybe six of them guru feeders, bait up feeders, and then I'm going to start the session. Now guys, I put 6 those bait up guru feeders in my swim, and now I'm going to start the session with 2 maggots, see how the fish react. Now, first cast bites straight away. It's only a small fish. And there it is, nice roach. Same again, 2 maggots. Another bite, another fish on. And that's another roach. Now, quickly, the rig I used today, it's a paternoster rig. That's the rig I always use when I'm fishing on the river. I think paternoster is the best rig for that. It depends on the flow, but like the flow today isn't too bad, and I can use a 40-gram feeder and it's okay for that, so not too bad. Wow, bites it comes straight away. Once the feeder hits the bottom, bite straight away. It looks like it's going to be a busy day. That's another nice roach. Now the rod I'm using today for this style of fishing is Shimano Cantana. It's 3.6 meter long and it's up to 100 grams. Now the tip, it's 2-ounce tip. But I think I could even use 1-ounce tip because the flow is not too bad. But I didn't know, I wasn't sure. And I just left that on the rod. I said I'll give it a go. There's another fish. Wow. That's amazing. It's a lovely piece of water, like it's a lovely piece of river. And I know there's bigger fish in here as well, like hybrids, breams. Hopefully we get some bigger fish today. That's amazing. And as you can see, my own ground bait, it works really well, so I'm more than happy with that. Got some weeds. Now it's a really nice roach. Fantastic colours on it. They're just fantastic. Now let's see, can we get some more fish? Now guys, a quick update for you. I'm fishing about half an hour, 40 minutes, and I'm getting fish every cast. It's only roach I'm getting so far. Hopefully different fish will come later on, like skimmers or maybe hybrids. That's another roach. Bite straight away. Once the feeder hits the bottom, just fish on. That's another nice roach. I'm fishing for about an hour and a half and there's still no sign of bigger fish yet. All I'm getting is roach. But there's fish every cast, so I really enjoyed the session. I did try put different bait on a hook, like worm, sweet corn, but it doesn't make any difference. That's another roach. I think I missed that bite. I changed the feeder. I'm using that one of them open window feeders. It's 45 grams. It's okay for this type of river because there's no big flow in it. Big bite on the drop. I missed that. That's another fish. Water is it's getting very cold. My hands are freezing, to be honest. And I know the fishing might be a little bit difficult. It's almost like a winter fishing. So I know it'll be hard to get those bigger fish, like skimmers or hybrids. It's another nice roach, I think. Oh, it's a perch. And another nice roach. Now, if the river allows you to use open window feeders, don't squeeze your ground bait in too hard, right? Especially when you're getting bites very quick, once you cast out, once the feeder hits the bottom, you're getting bites. Don't squeeze it too hard, because you don't want to be losing your ground bait on the way back, right? So just little gentle squeeze, and that'll be enough. That's another nice roach. Don't know if you'll be able to see that, but there's beautiful colours on them. Fantastic fish. I don't know that I mentioned that before. It's about 3 meters deep where I fish. That's in the main flow. It's fantastic fishing here. Another roach. I'm fishing for about 3 hours, and believe it or not, but it's freezing cold. The wind picked up and I'm actually thinking to go home soon. Unfortunately there was no bonus fish today. It's only roach. That's all I'm catching. But it was still a nice, enjoyable session. Something different. I haven't been fishing the river this year yet, so that's my first time. The most important thing for me is my ground bait works really well, and I'm very happy with that. It's another positive test. Obviously there's no skimmers, no hybrids around. They must be gone in the deeper parts of river. It's quite shallow here, 2 to 3 meters. It's 3 meters in the main flow, so it's quite shallow. It might be great in the summertime. I think I got some weeds or something. Oh no, it's a pike. Oh, he let go. Yeah, it was a pike. There's a good few pikes around here this morning. Now it'll be my last cast, and then I'll show you what I got. Now as you can see, I've got loads of roach, but that's all I got today. Some lovely roach. I've got 2 perch like this. It was a nice session anyway, something different, as I said. I haven't been fishing river this year yet, so it was nice to try something different. Now we'll let the fish back home, and thanks guys for watching, and see you next time.